since my game is about to be launched, I will be making cloth texture for our characters from my upcoming game. Firstly, we have a 3D character that I created using Blender3D modeling. Now I'll just use a UX tool to create a simple texture sheet that I will design according to my 3D model. Firstly, I'll design that front of the jacket. I can create any random art over it. Now I will also add color that gives it more realisticness, adding details on it. Once we are done with it, now I will create a back of the jacket using same tool, and after that the sleeves, trouser. I have also added little bit of details of these texture that you will like later, adding random colors in it that I will use here. And there in the model, the colors will be used on accessories of the players. This one specifically designed for the glasses of player. That will give a mirror finish. I have created few more textures. One of them is puffer jacket. For this, I just create a convex effect that will look puffer later on, after little bit of editing images. Now time to export this texture. Coming back to Blender3D, here is the main character of my game. It's a low poly character which is better for the performance of the game. Yet, with little bit of tweaks, it will look a pretty much detailed character. Now, I have loaded the texture into the Blender. Time for texturing. It's a boring process, so I keep quiet. Once we have applied the texture, now it is time to see how it looks. Remember, it's not done yet. The final look is going to be in the game development. So far, this look pretty good. Now it's time to add more details to it. I have imported the character into my game scene. This is a shop where you will be able to try new jackets and other accessories. And there it is. It looked good, but something is still missing. Let's try the puffer jacket. Since it's a low poly 3D model, the puffer jacket looks a bit weird. To fix it and to make this model looks more real, I will create a normal of this texture that I will apply to the material of our game character. I'll open the texture in image editing tool and use a filter. That will turn our texture into normal bump map. Now I will apply that normal onto our texture material. The puffer jacket started to look like it. I have also added wrinkles to the other parts of the character, and now it looks great. Now I can test all the other amazing design I have created. Now the texturing is done. I may have used completely wrong methods of creating these textures or implementing the materials. Since I am not a game developer, I am just following my passion. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will love the game once it's out. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video.